Welcome to iRISE Digital's tutorial on WordPress. This is Ruben Maldonado. On this video we will be talking about menus. I have already logged into my administrative backend. We're going to go to Appearance and click Menus. We are going to work on a support menu. Okay, so I have already started it. Last time I showed you how to create a menu by clicking the plus sign and adding things from the side. So we're just basically that's what I did to get this menu. And what we're going to do is we don't have any of the WordPress tutorials in this menu just yet. So let's go to the p-type converter as we did in the last video. And I want to open this up in a new page. So I'm going to right click and then open link in new tab. Alright, what we're going to do is we're looking for posts. We're going to convert them to pages. Let's look at all of the posts. And we're going to the pages. Okay, so here we have all the WordPress tutorials. We're going to hit convert. Yes. Okay, and so the reason I did this is so that we can have the p-type converter still there, because I want to change them back to posts. So I'll leave this up. I'll go backwards on this page. Okay, that'll take me back to my menu. My menu page, the menu we were working on, and from here I will refresh the page, because these pages are cached. That means they're like stored information on your computer, and it's what the changes that you've just made on the server aren't going to show up unless you refresh the page. So now that I've selected those, I will add those to menu and then drag them into place. Alright, so that's it for our menu. I'm going to go ahead and save this. Now what I want to do is I want to apply this menu to any pages that deal with support. So if we go to my website and click the support tab, this page basically has to deal with support. So I would like that support menu somewhere on this page and on every page that it applies to. So we're just going to do it to one or two pages. We're not going to go through all of the pages because it's just redundancy. So if we go to this page, let's just hit let's go back to the p-type converter, and let's turn these back into posts. Select items, change to post, convert. Alright, now we have them back to post. Now we're basically done with the p-type converter, so I can close out. This one that we're viewing here, this is a page, so we're going to work on that page, which is basically my main support page. Now, there's not much information on there now, but I will be adding more as I progress with this website. So here's the main support page. I'm going to click on it so that I can edit it. On the side here, you see that there's things that say sidebars. Okay, here's where we'll choose what menus will show up on our pages. For this page, we are going to see where it says primary widget area. There's a bunch of different widgets that I can select from, or these are blocks of information that I can add to this primary widget area. So before we actually add in the menu, we have to create it, create the widget so that we can place the widget with the menu inside that area. I know it sounds confusing, but here we go. Once we go through it, you'll be like, oh, that was simple. So if we go back to appearances, let's go to custom sidebar. Okay, this is a list of all the sidebars that we have. Here's the support menu. We actually have a custom sidebar name support menu. So very easily, I would just suggest select, type in the name and a description, as we have here. To create this support menu, I typed in support menu there and then gave it a description of support menu. So it's very simple. You create the sidebar and then all of a sudden it shows up here. So now you have to configure the widget. So once you configure the widget, you have all your sidebars on this side, and then these are widgets. Okay, so you can find your sidebar, which is the support menu. Okay, if I open it up, it's going to show me what I have in that sidebar. So under the support menu, I have search. I have the support menu itself, a vertical menu, and a custom menu. So you grab the type of menu it is that you want, whether it's vertical or custom, and then you drop it down in, and then you type in a title, select what type of menu it's going to be, if it's going to show pages, categories, or it's going to be a custom menu that you've created, and then you select the actual menu from the list here. So now I have this saved. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to the page, and we're going to add this support menu to the support page. So now that I'm back to the support page, here where it says primary widget area, I can take that and I can select support menu there, and once I update the page, take a look at this, refresh. Okay, so you have the search vertical menu, and then we also have the custom menu. Now this is the sidebar that we've created. This is the support sidebar, so we can add the support sidebar to every single page that has to, or post that has to deal with support. So that way, when your customers are in you break your website into different areas, like graphic design. I want to have links here that pertain to graphic design, so that they're not searching all over the place for the content that they're looking for. It's really right in their face, so that they can easily click on the information or the links that lead them to the information that they need. So that's very simple. As you can see, this has subcategories. So we have email tutorial, WordPress tutorials, and then sublinks underneath each one. And this one doesn't show the sublinks. It just has to deal with your template and the way that it's built. Some of them will, once you hover over, will open up just like these, and others you actually have to click in order to open it up. So if you see that you have an issue, you can always contact me, and then I can go back and edit the template that I've created for your website so that it does open up when you hover over. So there you have a choice as to, do you want it to appear like this, or do you want it to appear like that? Here's the support menu. I can take off the vertical menu if I wish. by hitting the delete button. And as soon as I do that, the vertical menu is gone, and now all I have is the custom menu. So it's real easy to add things to this sidebar, but you have to do that in your widgets screen. And then here's the sidebars that you have, and just find the sidebar, open it up, because that'll tell me what's in that sidebar, and then add things. If I wanted to add a calendar, let's say, I'm gonna put a calendar here. Refresh, and now you see there is a calendar on my web page. So that's pretty awesome. In the next video, we're going to get into your different widget areas. You have a widget area here, primary widget area, you have a secondary widget, you have widget areas on the top, and widget areas in your header, and also widget areas towards the bottom and in your footer. So you can add information into these different areas on your page. I'll be showing you how to do that in the next video, so stay tuned. Ruben Maldonado with iRISE Digital. Have a good day.